You are welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be looking at the intersection of two cylindrical pipes of equal diameter. So we have an example here. The question says we should draw the intersection of the cylindrical pipes below having the same diameter join at right angles. So you can see the pipes here. We have pipe A here and pipe B. Pipe B and pipe A are connected in this format, right angle. You can say at right angle they are interpenetrated at right angle. Pipe B is penetrating into pipe A at right angle. So this is the elevation of pipe A. This is the elevation of pipe this is the elevation of pipe A. This is the plan of pipe A. This is the elevation of pipe B, and this is the plan of pipe B. And we are told that they are both having the equal diameter. That is, pipe A, the diameter of pipe A is equal to the diameter of pipe B. That is why you can see it like this. The diameter of pipe A here is 40, meaning now that the diameter of this pipe B here also is 40. You can see the diameter here is 40, meaning now that the diameter of this pipe B here is 40. That's why the diameter here is not given, because it's the same and equal diameter. So we are going to be drawing this now, and we are going to be seeing how the curve of intersection will look like. So I'm going to start by drawing my baseline. Draw this baseline this way, then pick a point. At any point I'm going to be producing this line up, which will serve as a center line. Okay, so we are told here that the diameter of this pipe is 40, so I will be measuring 40 from the ruler. So diameter is 40. Oh, never you forget, don't make that mistake I'm about to make now. The diameter is 40. So to draw the circle, so I'm going to be extending my compass not to 40 but to 20, because compass don't draw in diameter, a compass only draw in radius. So this is 20. By the time I use 20 to draw it, so that will be giving us 40, like you can see here. So 20 here. So I'm going to have, I want to be sure it's 20. Okay, which will be this. Okay, so that is we're going to place it here. We draw. So we have that drawn. So you can see that. So the next thing, we are going to be picking the side from here, move it this way until it gets to that point. Then we'll project line up, then at this other point as well we'll project, make sure it is straight, we'll project line up. So this is the diameter, the plan for pipe A. Now let me draw the elevation for pipe A now. So I'm drawing the elevation for pipe A. So we ensure that it is straight here. So we have this. Okay, and we are told that the height for pipe A here is 60, as you can see from the given question. So I'm going to measure 60 now. I will measure 16. So this is 16. That is 16. So if that is 60, all I just need to do get, okay, the rectangular box. So we go to the um, plan for pipe B. You can see from the center we are given it to be 50. So from this center we are going to be measuring 50. We are going to be measuring 50. So we have 50. So if this is 50, this is 50. So from that point we are going to have a straight line up. We ensure that it's perpendicular as well. All our lines need to be perpendicular. So we have that drawn up. Then from this base here we are going to draw a line to meet it. So we're going to be drawing for this base now. So I can put my set square this way, shift it until it gets to the base. So I'm using this line. Okay, then we have it this way. Then we can have this down. So then for the top as well, so all right, so we have this is the plan. I will take it out later. This is the plan for pipe B. Now let's draw the elevation for pipe B. Now the diameter is 40. You can say diameter here 40. So to get the diameter of this to be 40, so all I just need to do, I'll get the center, because the height of this is 60. So I'll just get the center 30. So that we get the center as 3. So we have it this way. Alright, so there are two ways you can get this. You can either measure, because if you remove 40 from 60, we'll have 20 left. So we can either have 10 here, that is 20. Automatically the remaining part here will be 40. Okay, so all I need to do now, I just measure 20 up and 20 down, since I've got in the middle. So it has to be 20 up, 20 down. Okay, or we just take 10 here down, 10 up here, the remaining part is 40. So whichever way you want to do it is okay. So I will come here, 20 up, 20 at the bottom here, then for the other part as well 20. So we have this. Then we draw for the other part there. So we take out our view. So we take it out now from here. You have this. You have this. You have this. Then this part. You have this part. Then you have this part. Okay, then we take out the circle. So this is the given view. You can say this is the given view of the two pipe interpenetrating each other. So the next thing now is for us to answer the question. The question says that we should draw the intersection of the cylindrical pipe. So we are going to be using this now to draw the intersection of the given pipe. So let's quickly do that now. What we are going to be doing now, we are going to place our compass extend to the the radius that we use in drawing this circle. Don't forget which is 20. So I'm going to be drawing a semicircle this way, semicircle this way. We draw it same for this as well, since don't forget they are of equal diameter. Of course, this is the elevation for pipe, for the pipe for B. So we have that. So we are going to divide this part into six parts. So using here, here, and here. So we can start with this. So all I'm going to do is strike an arc, come to this part, strike an arc, then at this part strike an arc to cut both for up and down. We do likewise here. Here also we strike an arc, then this part strike an arc like this, then at this point we strike an arc. So the next thing we are going to be doing now, we are going to be numbering them accordingly in the sense that we can start, if we start 4 here for example, we have 1 here, 2 here, 3 here. So 1 here, 2 here, 3 here. So if we use 1 here, so both here will be 1. Then when we want to number this bottom, since this place is 4, we use 1 here, 2 here, 3 here, and 4 here. 2 here, 3 here, and 4 here, in order for the lines to correspond. But you can either use, if you like, you can use 1 here and use 4 here, or use 4 here, 4 here, then this side have to be 1 for them to correspond. So the next thing we are going to be doing now is that we are going to be drawing lines from each of these points. We'll come to 3, we'll draw to meet the circumference of the cycle here, so you can see. So we go down until we get to 2, be drawing to meet the circumference. Then we come down again, draw to meet the circumference. Then finally at 3, draw to meet the circumference. So what we have done this way, we are going to do same for the top. So we go this way quickly. So just draw a line across it, then move down to 3. Draw like that. 4 is there already. Then we'll go to 3, draw a line, then we'll come to 2, draw like that way. Okay, so you can see that now. So the next thing we are going to be doing now is to project line from where it touching the circumference. So you can see this clearly now from here. Okay, so move it to that point where it touches the circumference. We're going to be drawing for both top to the top. The next one is here, move out. So you see that. So we have done that. So the next thing we are going to be doing now, we are going to be looking at the point. Now you will understand why I said we are going to number them correspondingly. Now if you look at this is 4, look at it carefully. This is 4 and this is 4. So 4 intersects here, then trace it up where you are meeting 4 here. So it's at this part, the middle here. Next one is 3 here, both up and down. Trace it to 3 here. You can see these 3, both for up and bottom. The next one is 2. You can see 2, trace, follow. This is 2. This one is 2 and 2 for this side. Then finally 1. This is 1. Just follow. So this is your 1 and this is our 1. So it has to correspond. Finally, we are going to be connecting this line together. Not a curved line, but it's going to be a straight line. Okay, then we connect this as well. Now you see, this is my curve of intersection. This is my curve of intersection. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you very much.